Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Black Bull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Black Bull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. That's right, get either the Essential, Plus or Premium plans absolutely free, and all you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Black Bull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Hey, if you like futures because of the tight spreads and clear setups, go check out Blue Guardian Futures. They let you start trading futures with up to $450k in funding. The best part, you keep 100% of your first 15k in profits, then 90% after that. No activation fees, weekly payouts, and they're sponsoring Chris Eubank Jr. and Birmingham City FC. Go take a look at blueguardianfutures.com or click the link in the description. Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Black Bull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plan.
What's up, guys? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. So first of all, I'm already looking for a trade right now. So I'm looking at this right here. I'm looking for shorts.
Hello.
Yo, Ruben.
How are you doing, bro? Hello.
Doing good. How are you?
I'm good. Thanks.
Welcome. I'm glad you're on here, bro.
Appreciate it. It's nice. What's your bias for today?
I am bearish, bro. I took my levels out that I wanted to take out from yesterday. I would have grabbed this sell here, but I wasn't awake. So but
yeah, I'm also
like
bearish.
You're bearish too?
Yeah, for now.
Yeah, for now. If we can't close below this low here, I think I'm gonna look for longs, but I feel like we're gonna be bearish all day. Yeah, me too. Good shit. What are you looking for to enter?
I'm waiting for 930 to go higher, but respect the SMT on the highs. If we do that, I'm bearish. If we break the SMT, I wait again. For me, it's like I react. You know, I don't have like areas where I'm gonna enter. I'm more like a reactive trader. If that makes sense.
No, that makes sense. Fair enough. Yeah, we definitely have our little SMT. Yeah, that's how I traded for gold a lot, reacting. I've been thinking just because reacting was just, I don't know, I feel like it was a little easier. But you got to get in and out a lot with reacting, right?
Yeah, it's true, yeah.
Yeah, this is Ruben, guys. He's great. He's a really good trader. He's gotten over what you said, like $10,000 in payouts.
15k by now, yeah.
Yeah, this guy.
But it was a hard journey, you know. Like the first 2 years, I made only like 1.5k, and now at the like 2.5 year, like this year was my biggest bump with 10k. And yeah,
damn, nice, bro.
It's the click moment, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I get it.
That's what you need to wait for, I guess.
Yeah, I think last year I only had like maybe 2,000. So I'm thinking this year it'll be my year this year.
Hopefully, bro. Hopefully.
Strong bearish.
The only thing what I don't like about if we are bearish, what's it called? The fundamentals are really, really bullish, you know, for Nasdaq today, or in general the indices.
Yeah, of course. Just we're touching this really huge level of pretty much reversal level. That's what I was also looking at. That's why I also wanted to take out this high. But yeah, this is pretty strong reversal level. Rejected going higher. We probably need to create a higher low and then on a higher time frame.
Probably, yeah.
Yeah, I'm still bearish for sure.
Me too for now.
Let me see.
I'm gonna be right back, like 5 minutes.
Okay. What's up, Shane? No, not well. I used to, not anymore. But I have really been thinking about going back to gold, like trading both NQ and gold. But I really have been thinking about going back to gold and having being able to trade both. What's up, Gold Galaxy? Let's go, my bro. Ruben trades gold. Yeah, I have a cat. You hear it? Yeah, of course it's been moving crazy, you know, because of everything that's going on. Gold is a commodity. Gold is a commodity. So these big players are going to be using gold as their emergency fund for if anything really bad happens, like a really bad recession or Great Depression, you know. So everybody's very skeptical about what's going on in the world right now because of fucking Trump, for one. And then bro's he's accepting a $400 million private plane from Qatar. Okay. And he say he's gonna give it back. Okay. Okay.
All right, I'm back.
Welcome back, bro.
I said I was bearish, but we're kinda in a SMT range right now. If you look at both assets on the 1 hour chart, we have a bullish SMT on the low and a bearish SMT on the high.
I see. For both.
From the 13th of May, 10:45 got taken by ES and not by NQ, so we're kinda in a range right now. It's kinda shit, I would say. Can I say stuff like that,
Say
or
what?
like shit? And or
Yeah.
okay.
Say it. I don't give a fuck.
Okay. All right, just to make sure.
That's okay. Rated R here. We're rated R.
All right.
Yeah.
But
I guess we'll see. Let me see. I mean, if we're rejecting this 30-minute FEG too.
can you explain to me what this New York open zone is? Because like I never saw that. Just from
Yeah.
yours.
It's pretty much just like the opening breakout range, pretty much. But yeah, you see break below, usually 9:30 will come like retest it, or it'll give us our break and then look for a retest, and then it's just like a quick scalp, but sometimes it can be the top of the trade.
Okay.
Yeah, but usually just a quick little maybe 30-point scalp or something. But I've gotten some really good trades off of this New York Open, because it just shows me the direction, really.
Okay. Nice.
Shibe, what the fuck does that mean?
That's German for shit, you know?
Oh, it did. Oh, how do you, did I say that right? How do you
No,
say
no.
it?
Scheiß.
Scheiß.
Scheiße with an E at the end, you know? Scheiße.
Scheiße.
Scheiße,
I'm
yeah.
gonna start saying that to everybody now. I have a German friend. I'm gonna start saying that to him.
I don't know, bro. We're in such a weird range right now.
Yeah. No true confirmation yet. "15 minutes. Your goat." How do you know that, Shane? Do you speak a little bit of German too, bro? Or... Damn, nice. All I know is Guten Tag. Something like that. I think that's thank you.
No, that's good morning.
Oh.
Good morning, bro.
I've been saying good morning my whole life. I thought it said thank you.
We might see gold buys next week, I think. From the technical side only, though.
You said we might see what?
Gold buys, GC. Next week, maybe. If the fundamentals come in right, though. Touching the 70% level soon.
Oh, for your fib.
Yeah, but the fibs are not only when I enter. I need the fundamentals most.
Your confirmation, yeah.
Yeah.
What high and low did you use for your fib on the daily, or?
Yeah, the daily extreme swing low, and then all the way to the high.
Like this low, like
Oh no, on GC, not on Nasdaq.
Oh, on gold, on gold, on gold.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, Shane was wondering about some gold. If you want to give him some pointers, because I don't really trade it like that anymore.
I would say a decent buy area is around 3,130. But like I said, without fundamentals, I would never take a trade from the daily chart, you know, because
Yeah.
Okay, you could scalp from that level, yes, but if you really want to catch a big move, the fundamentals have to be right, I would say. And right now, if I look at my edge finder, we only have a neutral score of 1, so it's everything basically.
How are you consistently getting payouts? Are you aiming for a daily target? Yeah, what's your answer to that, Ruben?
Yeah, so basically I have 2 ways to trade the funded accounts. The first one is the first trade I go for a max risk 1 to 2. So I basically risk the account to get $4,000 or $2,000, something like that. And then I go for only $100 to $200 days to get the safe payouts. Or what I did with my new account, I traded now. I go for $400 to $500 days, and then I go for 2.5k USD, and then I take out the half and trade with the rest of the amount, so 1.2k, and trade it up again to around 2.2k or 2.5k, and take out the half again. You know, that's what I do with my funded futures, because you can only take 1.2k, and that's
Right.
what I think is the best way to get a lot payout out of account that's only $80. Yeah, it's basically to build a buffer, you know, and then you can only go for low days with the first strategies. You don't have to risk a lot.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Yeah, I can do that. Yeah, Shane.
Yeah, I fucked up on my top step myself last week. I made like 1,800, and then, bro, I fucking lost it. I was like, fuck.
I mean, it happens, bro.
Yeah, it fucking happens. Last week was just so bad for me.
Yeah, I saw it in your streams.
Yeah, it's doing a little better this week.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, the market was yesterday. I didn't like the market, to be honest. It wasn't that clear for me. But yes, Monday it was good. And
Yeah,
today
Monday wasn't bad. Monday wasn't bad.
Shane,
Yesterday, I just didn't like CPI.
yeah.
What?
Shane, that's why you go with accounts that don't have a consistency rule. For example, the Starter Plus account on My Funded Futures or Top Step account. With consistency rule accounts, you can't do that.
Yeah, with Top Step, there's no consistency rule for the funded accounts, only the challenge accounts. But it's just that Top Step is a little bit more expensive than Apex. Like Top Step doesn't really have any coupons ever.
Yeah, that's
honestly.
true. That's true. Yeah. It's just my favorite is My Funded Futures, but I also understand why people go with what's it called, Apex, for example. For the you can have 20 accounts, right?
Yeah, 20 accounts.
It's beyond crazy, bro. Imagine 20
That's
200k
probably
accounts.
I think Top Step only allows 10 accounts.
That's 5. That's 5 accounts.
Oh, just 5? Damn.
Yeah.
Wow. But I mean, it's unlimited profits pretty much. So whatever.
Yeah, every firm has its ups and downs, I would say. It's just what you like personal the most. What fits your
Yeah.
trading style the best. That's the important thing.
Yeah, maybe I'll try a different one because I really hate the stupid consistency rules, man. I can't stand it. And then I hate how it trails, even for the unrealized profits.
Yeah, that's why I don't use it. The trailing stop loss, trailing drawdown midday is like, of course you can say if you're a consistent trader, it doesn't affect you, but it does. It does affect everyone. Imagine you're up like 2K and then you hit a break even or even a stop loss and profits, you know? You technically lose money even if you make money, and that's what I think is, I don't know.
I fucking hate it. So what, MFF doesn't do that?
No, it doesn't. But you need to pick the right account. There's like 4 types. The starter account is the cheapest one. There you don't have a consistency rule in the challenge, but then you have a consistency rule at the funded stage. And what I would recommend the most is the Starter Plus account. You have 50% consist. Oh, look at what NAS is kind of looking decent right now.
Oh, hold on. Wait a minute.
Yeah.
Are we getting... We got like 5 minutes. Because Asia took out this side, London took out that.
But the Starter Plus account has a consistency rule in the challenge, and then after that it doesn't, and it only has a trailing drawdown at the end of the day. So you could make 10K at your first trading day, and then only go for $100, and you can take out 6K, 7K, you know. So that's what I like about them.
Oh, I think you can do that for Apex too, because they don't really, like, you can make however you want to make, but it's just the 30% rule is only for payouts.
Okay. There we go.
I kind of want to get into some shorts here. I really like the momentum of this. Let's see.
I mean, the 15-minute looks kind of good, but it's just open is in 4 minutes.
Yeah, opens in 4 minutes, and the 4 hours still. Let's see what the open does.
I mean, but bearish doesn't look too bad. If you look at the 4-hour rejection from the SMT up there.
Mm-hmm.
And,
yeah, then we're coming down into the FEG again.
And now this continuation from the 15-minute right there. But let's see.
Let's see.
And we had the internal SMT as well. Yeah, I'm bearish for the start of New York, I think.
For sure. It's looking very bearish.
And if we break the SMT down there, the 1-hour SMT, we could really, really drop.
Yeah, that's what I'm expecting. I'm expecting a really big drop.
I mean, if you look at the weekly, we basically just went up. So I think if we really want to continue higher with a never mind. That is.
Yeah, if we want to continue higher, well, for me, at least, I need to see a break.
I think 21. Yeah,
really
sorry.
good.
I think 2100, 100 would be a nice area to see shorts go, like 200 points from now. It's 50% level of the range.
All right. As soon as we open, I might be getting into some shorts here.
All right. Galaxy, I wouldn't long right now. I would wait for a retracement if I was you, but
yeah, no long yet, Galaxy.
We have a bullish SMT right now on the on gold. We could probably see moves higher right now, but it's not a great setup. Only like a B setup.
So here. I'm gonna put a sell limit. Hopefully it just taps it in there.
Yep.
If not, we could just fucking drop.
Could rip off as well, yeah.
Now I'm gonna enter now.
Okay.
All right. This is my combine for that one, so I'm gonna enter here. Kind of going full margin for my combine here.
We have a bullish internal SMT right here right now. It's not the best. Under 1 minute and under 5 minutes.
Yeah, it's looking.
No.
Yeah, we might pump here. Let's see.
Even with 15 again?
Wow.
Oh no, that's a stream, my bad. That's
How do I? It's not looking too sexy.
no. We're the bullish SMT down there, right at open. Kind of fucked it up.
Yeah, definitely fucked it up.
That's the thing with the fundamentals, bro. That's why I don't like to go against it, you know? Even if we're so high up and we have bearish kind of order flow here. It's yeah.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. That's okay. That's okay. Yes, it's fucking fundamentals right now. Technicals are not winning.
We just created another bearish SMT, but I'm not sure if that's gonna hold, to be honest.
No problem, my Splendor. Yeah, so this 30-minute FPG looks like we were bouncing from it for some longs, not.
Yeah, it's even a 1 hour as well.
So we just took out the London high. Yes, it's gonna break. God damn.
Yeah, we're bullish. I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, very, very
There's-
bullish. It's like, where are we even heading?
It's just the fundamentals, bro. It's they win over the technicals. That's the thing. But there's like no, or maybe these 4 hour highs there, but what is GC doing? Yeah, GC played out good, kind of. No nice.
Oh man. Fucking Trump.
Maybe wait for retracement, and are you still looking for shorts? What is your game plan?
If we close above this London high pretty strong, I'll probably look for longs, but off of a pullback. But I just don't know. I just don't know where to target. That's my problem. I don't have a target.
Yeah, I get
So,
you. Gotcha.
I mean, I could target all the way up here to this untouched New York high, but let me see how many points away that is. It's like 231 points away. But I mean, you don't have to grab the whole move. You just grab some of it, but just don't see how valid that is. And we have pretty much an equal low on Asia and London. ES is kind of struggling to break above here, but
And it's still a valid SMT up here, but the thing is, what lower time frame confirmation do you need to essentially go into a shot? You know, if you really wanted to.
15.5.
Okay.
Since we're closing below, because now we could see, like, if this 5-minute FVG holds, I'm gonna get rid of this miracle. And then we inverse this FVG, then I'll probably be looking for shorts more than anything. But especially since ES is really struggling to push above here, I guess we'll see. I just don't want to be too biased, because last week that really fucked me up, being too biased.
Yeah. And if you look at the at least 1 minute shot, we haven't disrespected any price array, you know, like nothing. More looks like pullback now, I would say.
Yeah, this is looks like it's pretty much retesting on the 1 minute too.
I mean, we have 20 more minutes for the 4-hour candle. That should.
Yeah, 4-hour candle always gives us very nice direction.
Yeah. Let's see how this 5-minute closes.
It's looking good.
Yeah. Maybe wait for it. It's so counter trend trading though. That's the only thing though. Like.
Yeah, I guess the only way I really take it is if we inverse this FEG pretty strong, which looks like it's coming. It's trying to at least, but we just tapped the 50% mark on it. And we rejected. Let's see. We're trying to reject.
Is there news today? Any more news?
You say something?
Yeah, is there news today? You know, out of that.
Oh, no news today. No.
That's maybe why it's so undecided.
Yeah, no news. So sometimes I like trading with no news though, but sometimes trading with news is really good.
I don't know. For me, it's like I like when I get in and get out fast, even if I get a stop loss or take profit. You know, I don't like to sit in a trade for hours. That's why I like the more volume.
You used to though, right?
Yeah. Back then. That's when that's why I legit preach it. SMT is the most important confluence in trading, because if you have a valid SMT entry, let's say you have a SMT entry, you can only be wrong or right, because you cannot say, oh, this happened now, this happened now. You know what I mean? Like if the SMT holds, it's valid. If it doesn't hold, it's invalid, and you're out. Basically, that's why I like it so much.
Yeah, I just started getting on the SMTs maybe a couple of weeks ago, just for that extra confluence.
It's definitely worth it, bro. 100%. Yeah, Shane, that's probably why the market is kind of slow right now.
Yeah. Yeah, there's unemployment tomorrow.
We just had an internal SMT right here.
There's PPI tomorrow and core retail sales. And Powell speaking at 8:40 a.m. tomorrow. Gotta wait for this FEG, and then I'll definitely enter, and this will be my TP1.
I just did a quick scalp,
Okay.
quick 20 points.
All right.
Already out.
In here.
My stop loss would be at 21.3676 if I would scalp it right now again. That's the internal SMT. If this breaks, it's unvalid for me again.
Let's see here. See if we can hit this TP1 here.
Yeah, we broke the 5-minute as well. We gotta break this low at 21.310. Then we should be good for shorts, like all the way. Not all the way, but like a lot.
Should be valid, right? Yeah, we should be
Yeah.
good. I'm already in. I'm in shorts.
Nice. I already took profit though. I just did a 1 to 2 real quick from that internal price action.
All right, come on,
Okay,
hit that TP.
Bro, I could have held that, bro. That would be easy 50 points already. Crazy.
Come on, hit the damn TP. It's right there. Hit the fucking TP. Oh, it hit it.
I did?
Well, it hit on my other account. Why the fuck didn't it hit on this one?
Yeah, it doesn't matter with these little points. Just take it out. It's that's the only thing. Like we didn't break that low. That's kind of.
Yeah, not yet. But let's see if we can hit that shit.
Maybe we gonna retrace in the 5-minute again, but let's see.
Come on, hit that TP. It's right fucking there. Okay, there we go. There we go. All right.
Nice.
TP1. TP1. All right, let's see if we can move down to London lows here.
Looks good though.
Even.
Looks nice.
Very nice. Very nice. Let's see.
If you look at the 1 hour, it looks so
I think
good
I'll
right
just
now.
close one more.
Yeah, take some profits, bro. You don't have to get the whole move, you know.
Yeah, no, I just closed 90%. So now let's see if we can take full TP down here at this London low. Honestly, if we just break through, I might even just trail.
Yeah, hold it, bro. If we break through that low, I think we go way lower.
Yeah,
Trail
very,
it then.
very, very, very well might do so. God, because yeah, look at fucking ES. Wow, this is beautiful.
Bro, I had such a sniper entry and I closed it so fast.
No, bro, you had the confirmation. Oh,
It's just against the bias, bro. That's why I was a bit skeptical, let's say it like that.
Fair enough, fair enough.
10-point stop loss. That's what I mean, bro. When the SMT is valid, it doesn't go there anymore, and that's like, it's It's crazy.
Oh, I see. It never. So it's very valid. So like, if my stops were all the way up here, it's like probably never going to come back here for a while.
If it's valid, yeah, that's the thing. If you're wrong, it takes you out. But yeah, if we really if this was really the top, it shouldn't come back today.
And I've been waiting for this fucking short for so long. Oh my god. I mean, we just broke past this 30-minute FEG to inversed it, but we're coming back up, so let's see what happens.
Yeah. Pretty sure we went into the 70% level. Let me check real quick. Yeah, we're rejecting the 70% level right now. Let's see. And we have a bullish internal SMT.
Oh shit. I did not mean to do that. Whoops.
Shane, it means that you can do it with any correlated pair basically. So for example, gold, you do it with DXY or silver. For Nasdaq, you do it with ES. You oh, you did? What happened?
Oh no, I'm good. I just used the wrong.
So
yeah,
basically, if we're in a if your bias is bearish, and let's say for this example, like right here, and Q took the high and ES didn't take the high, it's like a sign of manipulation, let's say it like that. So it's a valid stop loss area for you to put your stop loss and enter a short. And if it breaks it, so if ES would have taken the high, it's no sign of bearish order flow, let's say like that. So it's like a confirmation for short or buy, or a confirmation for exit, you know. If you're in shorts and you see a bullish SMT on the low now, you could say, okay, maybe we reverse now again, and then you could exit your trade again. Yeah, like a divergence.
All right, right now I'm taking out. I'm closing.
Okay.
Well, that was a nice trade.
Yeah, it was 70 points or something, I think.
Yeah, that's pretty nice.
Quick scalp. Let's see, maybe we just need a retest of that 5 minute.
What's up, Tony? Yo, I'm so glad you're here, Ruben, helping.
No worries. I'm honored to be here. Let's say it like that. My English is not the best with all these the what's it called? Special words.
Special words.
But I still see market go down a little bit more.
Yeah, I still see lower. It's just might be waiting for this 4-hour closure.
Yeah, we have it in 8 minutes.
Yeah, like 5 minutes. Probably maybe enter again, but I really want to wait for this closure.
Yeah. If we see another bearish SMT, I might enter before the 4-hour, but right now, if you look at the 5 minute, inside this FVG, if we get a SMT right there, so ES, for example, goes into the fair value gap and Q doesn't, I would enter a short there. If it's like not close, if you see like a real difference between it moving up, you know, that's the only way I would enter there. If we see that.
Oh, yeah, I think it looks pretty equal right now. For both.
Yeah, that's what I mean. So, for example, if ES stays kinda in that range right now and Q just pushes up when the 4-hour opens, that would be nice for me to enter a short again. And then you could get a real nice risk reward out of it as well.
Yeah, I mean, ES just really inversed this 1-hour FVG too, so we could. I think I'm just gonna get into.
You could do how you trade, you know. It's all about your style, not what I say.
Yeah, of course. But I'm just saying, like, all your confirmations too,
Yeah,
plus these is really lining up for sells.
for the drop down, yeah. Are you also investing in stocks, Shane? By the way, how did you meet this trading nut guy? Like, how come
Um,
you're trading on here?
he had one of my friends sent me something that he posted. He was doing some contest for, I think it was for Blue Guardian Forex prop firm. And I just sent in a video of how I trade because he was looking for people to go live on his YouTube, but he wanted to see how they trade first. So I sent him videos of how I trade and he liked it. So now I've just been here.
Great, definitely
Yeah, it's
great.
not bad. I like it. I help him get his views. He helps me build my Discord, my own label, whatever.
It's definitely
So
good promo, yeah.
yeah, it's
Sure.
not bad. Yeah, I fuck with it.
Mm, 5 more minutes.
5 minutes.
There was another internal scalp area right now, but missed it. It was a 30-second play only.
Yeah, I was thinking about jumping in here, but I really wanted to wait. But sometimes waiting really fucks you up.
Yeah, the FOMO kicks in. I get you. That's what I also think. Like, if you always wait for the perfect setup, you're gonna revenge trade into a setup. You know, sometimes
Yeah,
it's better just to get into the trade early if you
right.
if you
That's
have
how I
good
feel.
conviction.
Yeah, if you're pretty confident about it, why not, right?
Yeah. How are you doing, Ace?
What's up, Ace? Good morning. Good morning to you. I know it's not morning for most of you.
Just had a 5-minute bullish SMT on Nasdaq.
I think I'm gonna go ahead and jump in here. Let's see this 1 minute real quick. Three minutes. Jump into a little early here.
I think good short entries could be at around 21 340 ish, something like that.
Thinking that got in a little bit early on my combine.
Okay. Yeah, I think 2100 340 We should, if we get bearish momentum, we should see it around that area. With a bearish SMT would be great. And for ES, it would be 5,914 area around there.
Let's see. Nice retest. Yeah, I see what you're saying.
Just depending if we get a SMT there or not. If we do get it. If not, I would wait.
I'm gonna get in here.
No SMT yet. What did you eat for dinner, Ace? That's something good?
Yeah, I'm gonna get in, or I'm in here for some shorts now.
Yeah, okay.
I am in, still targeting the same London low.
I'm gonna be right back. 1 sec.
You just had dinner? Oh yeah. Excuse me. Well, there's a slight SMT there. Very small, but
Where do you see the SMT? On the low?
on the 5.
Yeah. That's what when it came, I said it
Here,
earlier.
you see that too, yeah. Pretty small, but it's there.
The thing is, if you look at the 4-hour wicks, I think we would have to go a little bit higher for it to be like a valid 4-hour wick. You know, if you look at it right now, it's such a small wick on the 4-hour if we're bearish, but it could still play out. It's the only
Well,
thing.
we just have such big wicks on the. They're just so big. I feel like it's more of a rejection than like a wick fill, since we took out so many levels of liquidity. For me, at least.
Yeah, I see where you're coming from. It's just we did not get an internal bearish SMT yet, and that's why I didn't enter yet. It's
Right here, yeah.
just no confirmation inside the range after that big push down.
Yeah, just chopping up here. I guess, yeah, confirmation would have been better for this low to be broken first, but
Yeah,
we were also tapping off of this New York Open.
it's still a possible shot. Don't get me wrong. Like it's definitely something you could work with. Just for me, it wasn't enough confirmation to enter it, right?
Yeah, different strategies.
Yeah. But the good thing is DXY is moving really bullish right now, so that's also a decent sign for Nasdaq to go lower. If we look at the 4-hour there,
Yeah, I see.
got a nice retracement there.
Yeah, because I see gold pushed down first, and now it looks like it's trying to push back up.
Yeah, there we go. NAS dropping.
All right.
Yeah. Let's see if it breaks this little SMT down there on the 5-minute, then it should be nice again for going lower.
Yo, Kayden, who's your new partner? This is Ruben. He is great. He's very knowledgeable. He's helpful. He gets payouts. Oh my god, what the fuck?
I can just give the same back to you, bro. Oh, what? We got...
He's like, oh. Yeah, what the fuck?
We still didn't get the SMT though for bearish. That's the thing. Or did we? Are we in the 5 minutes? Yeah, no SMT yet.
No, I didn't get that. Oh, well, there is one here on the 5. It's bearish for ES.
Oh, I have NQ and ES open. I had NQ and NQ open at the same time. Yeah, I would. This would be valid for me now if I was looking for shots. This would be stops all the way at the high, and then target a 1 to 2 maybe. 120 points. If it breaks the into the 5-minute on ES, it's unvalid for me. But if we continue this should be good. Just how the 4-hour moved already, it's like if you look at the 4-hour, it looks like it made a bottom wick more like a top wick, if that makes sense.
Yeah, that's what I was really just thinking. Also because of fucking gold too. I just took a peek at gold.
Yeah, bro, I should have called out the trade on gold. That was 1 to 3, I think. Yeah, 1 to 3. Should have said it.
Wow.
I mean, we're still at the SMT. It still holds, but
Gave it all back.
SMT is about to be invalidated.
Just gave it all back. But we have this FEG here too. I'm gonna go one more. This is my combine, so whatever. It stops right
Well,
away.
actually, the SMT did hold, actually, but it might get broke soon. Yes, it's definitely more bearish by the looks of it. If you look at the 1 minute chart, it reacts way more than the Nasdaq.
Yeah, we have this 5 minute.
Yeah, I'm in Views Discord. My name is Ruben there as well. Look at ES, bro. Maybe ES would have been the right pair to trade today.
Oh yeah. So we just had this 5 minute FEG here too. We just tapped that 50% mark and dropped, and I got in perfectly at that.
Ooh, yeah, you got a snipe, bro. Great trade.
Very
And
nice.
we did get the SMT at the end of the day. We did get it. If you look at the asset, it never taken the 5 minute. Let's see if this plays out.
Let's see if this is it. I should definitely trim though.
The thing is, we just don't get too aggressive moves. You know what I mean? Like this was a great entry, but the price action doesn't want to go lower. Like it holds the lows from here right now. That's
Yeah,
the thing.
it's like really chopping up here. It's probably just taking its sweet ass time.
It's probably a lot of like buy orders here, you know. Like if you look at footprints or something like that, if someone's into that, it's probably why it's a good level of resistance. Yeah, I get that a lot. Get that a lot, guys. Maybe trim a little bit if you want. Do whatever you want, but
Yeah, I trimmed a little on my personal.
Okay, definitely, because we creating another bullish SMT right now, and you don't want to get.
Yeah.
We just range. We don't have clear moves, bro. That's the problem. Like we make bullish SMT, bearish SMT, but
like, all right, I'm just gonna close some out here.
As much as I want to go short, it's like it's just against the fundamentals. That's the problem, bro. Like,
yeah, it's hard to trade with these damn fundamentals sometimes. It's like, goddamn.
yeah, it's like intraday. Normally, it doesn't affect you that much, but yeah, against the trend is always hard. And with no clear direction right here. Like, look at the range we've been in. It's like
Trading in this fucking chop.
it's pretty
It's
much
like, might as well.
yeah.
What?
Since 3 a.m. we're basically in a range, you know what I mean? Or even longer, bro. Like, since yesterday, 13 o'clock your time, or 1 p.m., I think, we're still in this big range right here.
Well, it's like 50 points. So.
Yeah. Yeah, I think shots are over, bro. I think we're gonna get a breakout to the upside soon.
Yeah, that's how I'm feeling. We're struggling way too much to push lower.
If we really wanted to go lower, I think it would have already happened.
Right.
Would have already happened.
Now gold is dropping again.
It is. Yeah. Gold also only has a neutral score of 1 right now, so it could skyrocket right now, but it's more likely to just continue low, I feel like.
Daily VWAP. Ruben. He is in the Discord. He has his own too. But shit, maybe Ruben and I should just make one together.
You could do that, yeah. I have a business partner though, Toby. I have the current one with him right now, yeah. So we'd have to talk to him first.
I can talk to Trading Nut. We could probably work something out, all three of us or something, and then maybe we can just start our whole trading business guru through this.
Could see what we can do, yeah.
Yeah, that'd be good.
Yes, definitely.
Sounds like the people like us.
Yeah, I think we went good together. We go along.
Yeah, we're doing pretty good. And I like learning from you, so yeah, he has a pretty nice voice, doesn't he? He sounds very very serious.
Appreciate it, I guess. And it's just like we don't know where we want to go, bro. Like we have all this bearish confirmation, but it just doesn't want to move.
It's just so choppy, yeah. And it still hasn't taken my stop loss out yet or my break even. So let's see. I'm in at what 21,353.
Maybe if you want to put it above that 5-minute high, if that's comfortable for you. You know, like where it tapped the fair value gap, because that's the SMT high. But do whatever you would like. But that's what I would do. Like, if you're fine with losing again, if you aren't fine with losing again, then don't. Because we are more likely to be bullish, but maybe you get stopped out and then the move comes, and that would be also kind of ass. But just whatever you like. If you say you don't want to lose money again today, then put it at break even.
I see. That's why you put the stops there. Okay. For invalidation. That's an invalidation stop, right?
Exactly. Like if it breaks above this high now and ES also goes into the fair value gap, the SMT breaks, and then it's more likely to continue higher, you know? That's what I would do right now if I was in shorts.
Yeah.
I just passed my top step with this last trade. So
also with your confluence, like if we break this SMT high, we'll also be inversing this 5-minute FEG. So that's like 2 confluences in one, which would be confirmation for longs. But yeah, it really looks like we're trying to go long because we just have so many rejections lower and in this fucking 30-minute FEG.
And we have the bullish SMT, that's the thing as well.
Yeah. So many.
No, we don't. We don't have a bullish SMT anymore. Or do we? Oh yeah, we do have another internal bullish SMT, but not a higher time frame, only 5 minutes. Not, or is it 15 even? No, it's not. Oh, it is. It's a 15-minute bullish SMT, yeah. I think it's a bit too choppy right now.
Very choppy.
It's probably because of the news tomorrow.
Yeah. And from yesterday too, probably.
Definitely.
CPI. Yeah.
Even on Monday, the tariffs, you know, that was probably the main thing that really did us dirty.
Right. So much uncertainty in the market. But that's why gold is dropping, right? Because tariffs are cooling off. So.
And the DXY is racing, you know, because of that. But is it? No. I'm not the best at fundamentals. I'm gonna be honest. I'm just, you know, I have this one thing I have, and it gives me the score, and that's how I go, and it's 90% accurate. I don't need to like. I know the basic correlations, but I'm not the best one to ask for tips on fundamentals. Let's say it like that. More like
Short time frame bullish candles forming, but need more confirmation. Yeah, it's like I really want to be bullish as much as I want to be bullish. We just took out so many levels of liquidity from Asia. We took out this level that I was watching overnight, but I was sleeping. And then London came back up, retested it, took out the high again, made its own high. Pretty big rejection because this wick right here on the 5, it has no top wick. So that's like either we continue higher or there's no more range above for us to move up. So we created a top wick on the next 5 and then just instantly started moving down. That's another reason for me, price action wise, but obviously the fundamentals want to go higher.
Yeah, we are with the tariffs being cut down to 30%, I think, for China and USA. It's really bullish right now for the indices.
Yeah. Shit, only for 90 days though. That's it. It's just 90 days.
Bro, I feel like this was anyways the biggest manipulation of all time. You know, Trump saying he's doing tariffs, dropping Nasdaq down like 40%. You cannot
Right.
tell me his whole family didn't buy there, bro. Like you cannot
Exactly.
tell me like
Exactly, bro.
It was, bro, everyone that was in the right state of mind could have bought there, you know, if he had the extra money. But a lot of people don't have it.
Exactly.
So,
Yeah, he literally just told all his friends, all right, guys, so I'm releasing tariff news today, so make sure you're ready to fucking buy or sell. Like, yeah, fuck that dude, man. But yeah, this is definitely just, it's all planned. I'm sure he planned this shit from even before he got into the presidency, crashing the stock market just so he can get in at a really low price, just like banks.
Yeah, definitely, 100%. I'm not a, how do you say it in English? In German, it's Aluhut. You know, it's like when you think the government is all rigged and shit. I don't think that, but sometimes I think there's like moves that was planned like this.
Yeah, especially like depending on like who's in charge in the government. This guy for sure.
I mean, he's a businessman. At the end of the day, Trump was a businessman, you know? So
yeah, he is a businessman, and countries are businesses pretty much. So at the end of the day, it does make sense in a way, but damn, bro, he does not care about anybody else.
Shane, I wouldn't use it as a confirmation for SMTs with gold and Nasdaq, but it's always nice to look what is going on the other asset, but I wouldn't use it for SMT. I would use gold with silver or DXY, or Nasdaq with ES or DXY. I wouldn't SMT gold with Nasdaq. I wouldn't do that now.
What strategy are you trading off of? My strategy is simply just liquidity. Just liquidity strategy. FVGs, highs and lows of sessions, opens of sessions. And Ruben, he likes to trade. He really likes his Fibonacci. He loves it.
I use Fibonacci's, SMTs. I use Wyckoff for my kind of overview over the market, and then I have like one or two entry how can I say it, entry concepts of Wyckoff, and then obviously the fundamentals for my bias. For example, these grades was technically really short, really great, the shorts, but fundamentally it went against my bias completely. So that's why I only have taken one trade yet.
God,
I think it's over soon in a second.
Like, come on, hit my stops or hit my TP or something.
It's just like we make no higher highs and no higher lows, like we lower lows, like we're just in a range completely.
Yeah, just in a range. There's nothing going on.
Range bounding right now, yeah. Wait, let me see if my VWAP, what is that saying?
Well, the 30-minute candle was about to finally close. It looks like the 4-hour, it did make that top wick. It keeps flipping, but then it keeps flipping back. Like, gotta figure it out.
Yeah, we're just at the fair value of this like 1 hour up move right now. If you take the extreme low, I know you don't trade VWAP, but we're at the fair value right now, so
Review up. Gotcha.
yeah, that's why we are just at the fair value right now. So we need a breakout to the down or upside.
Yeah, that's what a guy said in here, Daniel Vidmar. He said daily VWAP is where price is at now.
Yeah.
Man. Yeah, I'll be getting off here in a little bit.
Yeah, it's not.
As soon as it hits my fucking break even or TP, just hit it, man. I'm getting off. Because this market today is fucking ass.
Yeah. I really wanted to see 21-100, bro, for longs.
21-100.
Yeah, that's really down. Like 200 points would have been down there. 200 points down.
Yeah, I was really trying to find this low.
The 50% level of the range. I would have liked to see that, but
man, I noticed a lot of times your Fibonacci just lines up so well with FVGs.
Yeah, you know what I don't like about FVGs alone? It's if you look at the 1 minute chart, there's nearly everywhere FVG. You know what I mean? So with the 50% level, you have like an area where you look for one. Because if you just take a random FVG, you could say, oh, this didn't play out because of that. And if you have a 50% level there, you can say, okay, if this doesn't hold, my idea is maybe wrong. But then you cannot just say, okay, I take the one below. You have like an area, you know what I mean? And that's what I think is the important stuff. You cannot just, because if you trade ICT or SMC, you have so many ways of telling yourself, oh, I wasn't right. I can still be right because this is down there and this is down there or this is up there, you know? And with like static things, you cannot do that, you know? And I think that's really important to do. But yeah, that helped me a lot.
Yeah, that makes sense. My back tests a little bit with the Fibonacci and the FVG.
Like if you just take a Fibonacci and the fair value gaps and just take from the 50 and 70%, I can tell you it's gonna work definitely.
Especially 50. But if it goes above what, like I guess sometimes it does hit the 100% though, and it's still like 100% discount mark, and then it'll go in your favor. Do you ever take the trade at the 100% mark? Or?
Yeah. If we get SMT.
Okay.
Like my best entries are extreme low at the low. Like if we really low, like 5 points from the low, and I get the entry there, and it's a valid SMT, I get like 10 risk to reward a lot of the times, you know, or even 20. I never hold that long because I rather take quick profits and then go out, you know. But that's like when I get whack of entries. It's like it's a bit too much to explain it right now, but it's basically lower risk, lower win rate, but a really high reward.
One day I'm gonna tell Trading Nut to let you be on the screen if you're down.
Yeah, we'll see. I like it to do it with the other person, you know, because then it's more talking. If you're alone, it's so quiet. Let's say it like that.
Oh no! I mean, like I'll be here with you, but you're on the screen instead of me.
We can see, yeah.
Could probably try that out.
Where did you send it, Ace?
Yeah, I don't see it.
didn't see it. I think you didn't see it. Send it.
Oh, okay. One hour FEG. Got in the buys at the flip. This is US 100. Wait, what is US 100 on futures?
Nasdaq.
Oh yeah.
I like it, bro. We have a 1 hour SMT down there. So fundamentally, you're on the right direction. But for me, this is still too up high, you know. But it's a definitely valid setup to go in longs.
Yeah. It looks okay. It's just like we're so fucking choppy. It's a little difficult to even read the direction.
We're stuck in the range, but if we get the breakout, you definitely get your TP. If we
Yeah,
get the
for sure.
breakout.
For sure. Especially if we inverse this FEG. We could definitely shoot higher into this high here. At your BE level. I think that's your BE level.
I mean, if we break the bearish SMT on ES, we're anyways gonna skyrocket. Like if we break the 1 hour SMT, just gotta wait till that occurs, and that's only how much percent?
Yeah, that's like far away.
That's 30%, 0.3%. So might
Well, it's
see
not that far, but it's a little far.
With you have the thing is you have a protected low, you know, because your stop loss is right at the SMT. So if this breaks anyways, your idea would be invalidated, for me at least. Maybe not for you, but for me it would be invalidated.
Yeah, probably for me too, especially since we're struggling so much. It's literally the fact that we're struggling so much. Like you said, if we were gonna drop, we probably would have done it already.
Yeah.
But this may have been the drop, or we're just building up a lot of liquidity.
Yeah. Oh, you're not okay. Yeah, but decent idea, bro. I like it. It looks nice. It lines up with the fundamentals and technical. It's just the price action that fucks it up. Let's say it like that.
Yeah, exactly.
It's just the choppy markets right now. That's not doing so well.
All right, finally just got hit at break even. Finally.
It took way too long.
Yeah, that took way too long. Just like this would be the move for me, but I'm not gonna take it. I'm not liking the market today. Got some nice wins though. 2 wins.
Nice.
2 wins. Not bad. But 1 loss.
I mean, still good win rate.
Yeah, still up, still green for the day. Whatever.
It's nice. I think bullish longs would have been the move, but it's again so choppy. It doesn't even matter. Like, I wouldn't want to go into any trades right now.
Man, if it does drop and I didn't put my stops where that SMT is, I'm definitely gonna put my stops at the SMT next time.
Yeah, look at what was your stop loss? It was like not even 10 points, was it? Like something like that?
My stop loss? Yeah, it was literally let me see. Yeah, it's like 7 points.
Yeah, that's a pretty nice snipe.
Yeah, that wasn't bad. That would have been a very nice stop loss.
But we just looked too bullish, yeah. We just looked too bullish.
Yeah, it just doesn't know what the fuck it wants, so I'm not gonna mess with it.
Maybe tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yeah.
There's always tomorrow, guys.
All right, bro. But I'm gonna catch you sometime later. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna get off too. I'll see you tomorrow, bro.
That's it. How do I log off? Can I just close the tab of where you
Yeah, you
invite
can
me?
just close the tab.
All right. See you. Bye bye.
All right, see you, dude. Bye. It's bullish. I don't know, bro. I don't see it. I want my shorts. It looks like they're gonna fucking play out. But I'm not gonna mess with this shit. I'm done. I'm green on the day. It was a good stream. And now I'm gonna go hang out with my wife. All right, I'll see you guys later. Stay safe if you're still trading. We are very, very choppy. May not see any serious moves until like maybe after lunch or right before lunch time, which is in like hour and a half. Damn what? What are you damning, Ace? Damn. Oh, okay. Hold on. Let's do this before we go, right? Because I think this is starting to become pretty fun. Yeah, I'm done on the day, guys. Don't trade anymore. You can if you want to trade in this mess. But if you are trying to be a disciplined trader, do not trade until there's no more consolidation. Okay, just don't do it anymore. This is not a good idea. Oh, chilling out with your wife, still single here? Sorry, bro. It'll come for you. I was single before her too. All right, let's see. All right, so none of those are in there. What's another word we can use? No A. No. Let's see if it. Five-letter words. Five-letter words. There's no O. P-O-N. I just need a word, guys. Just give me a five-letter word. Just give me a five-letter word. Okay. Okay. Bond. What the fuck? Bonds? Is that a word? Oh, there's no E. There's no E, so there's no C. B-O-N. Come help, babe. Come help figure this word out. I don't know. It just says B-O-N. I'm trying to figure out. It's a five-letter word. Bonds. Okay. It's not bonds. No. Bon Qui? I don't know. Bon. Bongi? Is that even a word? What the fuck? No, we gotta figure it out. She said ask Chat GPT. Girl. Bonnet? Bonnet? Bonil? Bonis? No, it's five words. Bonnet. Okay, this is kind of weird. What kind of word is this? Because it's not D. There's no D. What is it, guys? This is a weird word. Bonnie. Bongo? Oh, what the fuck? It's bongo. What the hell is that? What the hell? No, what the hell is bongo? Oh, is that that's an instrument? Hold on. Oh shit. Obviously I don't know my instruments. Oh wow, good job, Ace. The fuck? Alright. Good job, bro. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Take care, stay safe, use stop loss if you're still trading. See you tomorrow.
Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Black Bull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Black Bull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. That's right, get either the Essential, Plus or Premium plans absolutely free, and all you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Black Bull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Hey, if you like futures because of the tight spreads and clear setups, go check out Blue Guardian Futures. They let you start trading futures with up to $450k in funding. The best part, you keep 100% of your first 15k in profits, then 90% after that. No activation fees, weekly payouts, and they're sponsoring Chris Eubank Jr. and Birmingham City FC. Go take a look at blueguardianfutures.com or click the link in the description.